Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we off notification ringtone in our Tecno phone device. Friends, you don't want to use your phone notification ringtone setting guys, you want to off it. So how can you off today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So friends, now let's see how to turn off notification ringtone setting in our Tecno phone. Guys, we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. As you can see phone sound and vibration guys, click on phone sound and vibration and guys scroll it. As you can see notification ringtone guys, tap here and scroll it. As you can see first one is non option guys, tap here to turn off your phone notification ringtone guys. We will tap here to off it. As you can see guys, you can increase, you can decrease, but guys we don't have any notification volume in Tecno phone device. So like that guys, we can turn off guys our notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends have understood how to turn off phone notification ringtone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.